folks and the space aliens. Guess where I'm at? Cuyuna Range. It's May of 2021 and there's a lot of new stuff here. The map has not been updated yet. There's some new stuff north of here, and then the Yankee unit has some new stuff too, along with some backwoods ventures. But I'm going to do an introductory to this area, and this is the rally center, which I will show you here in a second. But this is the map. The main maps are here, and they got like a regular map over here behind me. You probably can't see that. This is the regular Monoman Huntington area map, and those are the rules. They usually have little handout maps, but I haven't been able to find them yet because they haven't been printed. It's like 8 pages. You can download them. But let's go take a quick look at this area, and we'll go up to the skills park.
All right, so this is the parking lot. This is the easiest easy trail. Skills park is up here. Those are the jumps. If we go this way, these are changing stations right here that you can use. Well, this is all in the rally center. I got some picnic tables here. Handicap, if you're handicapped and you want to use the bike trails, which I think is kind of funny. Not that I'm making fun of handicapped people, it's just like, okay, that's pretty cool. This is the flushless toilet. It's like an outhouse. They have a station right here for bike repair. Then they got a grill and picnics things right here. If we go down a little bit farther here, again, like I said, this is the rally center. This is actually a swimming area. You can actually swim down there, though I don't think I'd want to go barefoot down there because of the sharp rocks. That's just a theory though. And down here, that is where the maps are, where I just was when I popped in. Okay, so they do have running water here. It's right here. It's a bike cleaning station. Because of the mineral content in the water and such, and who knows what else from the mining industry, I would not want to drink that water. So you want to bring your own water. They do have a drinking fountain up here, but again, I don't really know how I feel about that. So use at your own risk, I guess. All right, so this is the payment kiosk where you pay to get into the park. It's $7 a day or $35 a year. I filled out the form for a full year because it's Cuyuna and I have other state parks but you just drive in, you come up the driveway and you come right in here. And then the rally center, which I'm going to go up to now, is right up there. All right, so what do you want to bring for the Cuyuna experience? Bring all of your tools. Pump, shock pump, regular pump. I got a little hex wrench thing, got a tube. I try to carry as much as I can on my Camelback because it is backcountry wilderness here. So yeah, come prepared. There's a bike shop in town. There's actually 2 of them, I learned today. But bring as many tools as you've got. All right, so I got knee pads here, my shorts, which I'm probably going to change into sometime here. I got chips, hooray for that, ha ha ha, and my new shoes, and I'm going to try. So I would recommend knee pads and elbow pads. I've got elbow pads here somewhere, I haven't found them yet. I got another pair of pants. So like I said, that's what I usually bring, along with a jug of water. You want to bring a jug of water.
Whoa! Well, hello again. Here we are at the drops in the skills park. We're going to check this part out next. I would say doing this drop is mandatory for riding in Cuyuna. It's actually not that bad. This is the skills park area. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to ride the trails here, there are things you need to be able to do. This is the beginner trail, so you're going to encounter stuff way, way, way harder than this on the trails, unless you take, and I like to do all the rocks formations. Rocks are easy. Remember, rocks are your friends. There are some wooden features here and there, not so much on the trails, but riding wooden features is not scary at all. You just go for it. Oh yeah. Like I said, you just ride over the rocks, nice and gentle. Get a feel for this is Cuyuna Range. Your tires will be bright red by the end of the day. And I've only been here for a few minutes and they're already bright red.
as you want. You can go off the side of this like that. Kind of fun, kind of sloppy. Here's the most difficult one you can do if you do what I'm doing. And then, I've actually never done that before. That was not easy. And then the next set is the blue and the black. So the black diamond has a drop on it. If you want to ride the trails, you have to do this drop. Let's go do this first. This one has got the big drops on it, and they're more intimidation than anything else. I can tell you right now. The one on the left is more hard. I'm just gonna kind of come up these slowly. How slow can you take this drop? Actually pretty slow. I'm going a little too slow. And I see people have taken it too slowly and they've really so you're kind of going at this about this speed, and that's the speed you want to take it at. Super easy. Then you come up on the berm, and I didn't do this before. Rock garden, you just roll through it. Okay, this is my first attempt at doing the jump line with my flat pedals. Oh yeah! I'm sailing! Holy buckets! Woo! That was pretty awesome. All right, so this is the black diamond. I say this, like I said, this drop is mandatory for being able to do this area. You got a lot of different features here. I want to do this one. Oh, it's a little bit scary, but not too bad. And then it goes back around, and there aren't really any other features. People cut across there illegally. They've been putting logs down on some of that stuff, so don't do that, but I don't do the skinnies very much here. I do the jumps and the drops, and then I get warmed up. And
I absolutely love this skills park. I think it is second to none for Minnesota. Why? Because it sets you up right for what to expect on the trail. Sure, the drops and the jumps here are pretty big, but you will encounter drops and jumps on the trail, and you will be set up for them, along with that red dirt and the familiar rugged rockiness that Cuyuna is so well known for. You will be ready for the trails. If you love this skills park, you'll love the trails.
wow, this is a rockin' trail. Ugh. Take those drops. So there are drops on this that are very much like the skills park drops. Some of them might be a little bit more because of their positioning. Water time.
I sure hope this video resonates with you and sets you up right for what to expect at Cuyuna Range. They sure are building a lot of new trails up here, and there's a lot of new features being added to and improved on. You never know what to expect up here, so just be sure to become prepared and, most of all, have fun.
Wow, the rock gardens in here are just insane. Oh, this is typical.